Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at X-empire. We'll be looking at how you can claim your X-empire coin directly to your exchange. So before I dive into this, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do want to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos so that a lot of people can gain value from this amazing content. So let's dive into that. If you have not seen your allocation yet, or you have not visited your you have not visited your X-empire yet, then this is the right time for you to do that. Come to look at it. Use X and gain exclusive benefits in our Telegram X app project. Feeds. The app every Telegram user needs. One place where you can scroll through all the posts from the channel you subscribe. Find any channel by category and enjoy flexible content search powered by AI across the entire Telegram platform. Coming to holders, look at the holders. What is it showing? Who are the X holders? And many more. But what really we're here for is for the airdrop. Now this is the airdrop. Though I do not have much though, because I left this for like a while. And I was still fortunate enough I got some things because they had been even phase 1s completed and also phase 2, but unfortunately I wasn't there at the phase 2. So if you are here, congratulations to you. If you have secured your tokens, congratulations to you as well. But the listing date is what? October 24th. The countdown begins 12 UTC, right? So what are we hoping for? Let's hope for a good price listing. So what we are here for mostly is how to connect your exchange. All right, you can see there is OKX. If you want to use the Telegram wallet, it's okay. You can see there is OKX, no gas fee. There's Bybit, no gas fee as well. There's Bybit, there's AB, there's on-chain airdrop. So what do you want? Which one are we going to connect tonight? I'm voting for the Bybit Exchange because Bybit Exchange is one of my best exchange that I don't do without. That has to do with crypto. I run to Bybit Exchange. So we're going to go into click on Bybit Exchange and see what exactly is there for us. What is it showing currently? Bybit Exchange, do you have a Bybit account? The answer is yes, because I do have. But if you do not have, you can say no, then let's create one. But my advice for you is that if you do not have, I'm going to drop my referral link at the descriptive section of this very video so that you can use it to sign up. Right? So let's click on this. I have, because I do. Let's see. So now we're going to get your Bybit ID, the X deposit address, and also the memo. With the 3 things you need to do here. This register, do not worry about that if you have a Bybit already. But if you do not have, it is better you sign up for an account. Okay, it says October 18, 2024, 6 p.m. UTC deposit starts. October 23rd, 2024 at 9 a.m. UTC deposit ends. That was on the 23rd, deposit will end. So you must have to do this now before 23rd December. All right. So claim your coin into your exchange. Claim your X-empire coin into your exchange before October 23rd. So now I'll firstly go directly to my Bybit and get my Bybit UID. Get the deposit address for the X and also get the memo. Right? That's good enough, right? So let's quickly do that. So I will navigate myself now to my Bybit. So here's my Bybit. I'm going to first take my Bybit UID. So click your profile. This is where you get your Bybit UID. Copy it. Alright. Copy your Bybit UID. Okay. So let's go back there to paste the UID. So we are here to paste the Bybit UID. Okay. Yes, I have. We'll paste the Bybit UID here. So the next thing we're going to do is to get the deposit address. Let's go get the deposit address. How do we get this deposit address? Go to your assets. The moment you get your assets, you're going to click on deposit. Click on deposit crypto. Okay, click on deposit crypto. Then you're going to search for the X. Okay, you search for the X. So you trace it here. This is it, X-empire. Okay, so you click on X. So after you click on X, you should know that X is on tone. Okay, so you click on it. This one is just a notice, just a notifications. Click on it. If you click on it, now here is it. The X-empire network is on tone. You can see the X-empire tag or memo. And this is the X-empire address. So what do you need to do? You copy it one after the other to achieve your aims. You can look at it. Routine deposit funding account. Deposit arrival 1 confirmations. Withdrawal unlocked 1 confirmations. And ending with HTOO. So first thing we need to do is to copy our address and go back there. Okay. Paste it here. Paste it here. Then we'll go to get the memo. We'll quickly go back to get the memo. Okay, here is the memo. Click on copy. If you click on copy, return to this place and paste your memo. So after pasting your memo, this will now be green, will now be bluish for you to save. So you click on save. Make sure you look at it carefully. Your UID is correct. Your wallet address is okay. And your memo is correct. Then you click on save to choose. Now we're saving. This method is chosen to withdraw tokens. You can see. Successful. So the next thing we just need to do is to wait carefully in order for us to receive our tokens in the exchange. Okay, to receive our tokens in the exchange. So this has been selected carefully now. This has been selected. So let's look at how it looks like now. I'm patient for it to open. So if you do have any question, do not forget to drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Alright. So the airdrop is on its way. And our password and our exchange has been already chosen. So thank you so much. This will bring me to the end of this very video. If you have any question, do not forget, drop it in the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye.